You gonna see if you can feed the birds? Yeah? That's it. So all the birdies can come and eat. Hi Make and Movers. So this half term we've been trying to get outside as much as possible. So actually the kids are currently already playing outside. So I thought I'd unbox their new bird feeder. So it's a window bird feeder that we've been sent to review. And it says a one-way mirror enables close-up viewing, attracts a wide variety of garden birds, everything included. Just add bird food. So there you can see it. And then you can see how it attaches at the back. So we'll open these bits. The only issue is my children are too impatient, so they want me to make it, and then they get the joy of putting it up and seeing the birds. So it comes in lots of little bags, and I'll be good. Normally I don't read the instructions, but I will to make it nice and quick. So, designed by nature experts at My Living World. Okay, so assembling the bird feeder. So that's like a little hat, goes on top. I think that goes like that. Does it? Okay. So does that go on there? Okay, so we've peeled that off. I think this is supposed to go inside. I think this must go at the bottom. That goes in there. Okay, well that was a little tricky trying to get this all together. I'd say ask a parent, but allegedly I am a parent, but I am very dyspraxic, so I couldn't get that together. But luckily my trusty camera person Daria helped me. But anyway, so you can either add suctions on the back or these ones if you're adding them to a fence, and then you put in your bird feed here and you attach it, and then you can enjoy watching the birds come and eat. Okay, so let's put this up. Oops. Get in there. Oh! And that bit. Okay, so then you just need to add the bird food, and then you can see all the birds eating. You gonna see if you can feed the birds? Yeah? That's it. So all the birdies can come and eat, and we can watch them. Good girl. Our first bird feeder.
That's enough, I think.
So it's a great idea to get the kids outside and making the most of nature, even in our back garden, which is located in the city centre, as I just think it's great to get the kids off the tablets as much as possible and making the most of all the beautiful birds around us. I'll put a link below if you want to buy your very own bird feeder, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Make and Move. So let's get making and moving.